You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, Cricut surprised us with a digital mystery box right now. I don't even have what's in the mystery box, I just have pictures. So I'm gonna show you, but for those of you who've never seen a digital mystery box, it's all digital, means it's all new, and it won't be in access. You get these instantly, there's no shipping. Once you purchase it, you have it in your account. You just have to sign out, sign back in. Don't forget to use my discount code. At the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you about the Cricut Access exclusive discount. Let's see what's in it. All right, you get BioFreeze, Babette, Chicken Scratch, and Sailor Tattoo. I've already got ideas for these. Flip Flops, Girly Stencil, High Tide, and Little White Lies. Rusty, Roseland, feel free to laugh as I pronounce these. Algincourt Tom, Bendigo, Carbaga Cursiva, I'm not even trying that one. Tiger Rag, and my favorite, Margarita. Okay, let's get to the price. If you use my code, it is not $29.99. It's only $26.99. And there's a link in the description. And if you have access, it's only $24.29. If you have access and circle membership and use my code, it's only $21.86 for 16 fonts. That's crazy. So here's a list of all 16 fonts. Now, if you're a Cricut Access member, this is an exclusive sale for you only. It's not really 40% off because when you use my code, you get another 10% off. And because you have access, you get another 10% off. You get over 50% off. So don't miss out on the sale. I don't know if it's over at midnight. I don't know when it's over. I just saw it and wanted to share.